In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to double space text in Google Docs if you need to make a document easier to read or you're formatting something for school, work, or a specific submission requirement. Double spacing is a quick setting that can make a big difference. The good news is that Google Docs makes this very simple once you know where to look. To get started, open your Google Doc and highlight the text you want to double space. If you only want to change part of the document, just click and drag over that section to select it. If you want to apply double spacing to the entire document, you can use the keyboard shortcut Control and A on Windows or Chrome OS, or Command and A on a Mac. That will instantly select everything in the document, which is a helpful time saver if you're working with a longer file. Once your text is selected, move your cursor to the top menu and click Format. This menu contains several text and paragraph options, including spacing controls. If you don't see the effect right away, make sure your text is still highlighted before moving on, because the spacing change will apply to whatever is currently selected. From the Format menu, click Line and Paragraph Spacing. This is the section where Google Docs lets you control how much space appears between lines and paragraphs. If you've never used this menu before, don't worry. This is exactly where you need to be for line spacing adjustments. Next, choose Double from the list of spacing options. As soon as you click it, Google Docs will apply double line spacing to the selected text. You should immediately notice more vertical space between each line, making the document look more open and easier to read. At this point, your selected text is now using double line spacing. If you selected the whole document, then the entire document will now be double spaced. If you only selected one section, then only that part will change, which is useful when different parts of a document need different formatting. That's all it takes. Just select your text, open the Format menu, go to Line and Paragraph Spacing, and choose Double. It's a fast and simple formatting change that can help your document meet style requirements and improve readability. Thank you for watching.